If you own a Toyota Tundra, you understand the importance of maintaining not just performance, but also the aesthetic appeal of your truck. A leveling kit is a popular modification among Tundra enthusiasts, as it enhances both the look and functionality of the vehicle. It raises the front of your truck to match the height of the rear, providing a more balanced appearance and improving ride quality. Number 1. Tundra 2-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit. If you're looking to give your Toyota Tundra a more aggressive look while maintaining its ride quality, the Tundra 2-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit is an excellent choice. This kit is designed to lift the front of your vehicle by 2 inches, leveling it out with the rear. It's perfect for drivers who want to improve the vehicle's stance without compromising comfort. The kit comes with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're planning to take your Tundra off-road or just want it to look a bit more imposing, this leveling kit will provide the height you need. It's also easy to install, with most users reporting that the process takes only a few hours. This is a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle without breaking the bank. The Tundra 2-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit is compatible with most Tundra models, making it a versatile solution for truck owners. This kit is especially popular among those who love to take their trucks off-road, as it provides the lift needed for larger tires and a smoother ride on uneven terrain. Number 2. Front and Rear Leveling Kit for Toyota Tundra. For those looking to lift both the front and rear of their Toyota Tundra, the front and rear leveling kit is a fantastic option. This kit includes both front spacers and rear lift blocks to ensure your truck sits level from front to back. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or just want to improve the aesthetics of your vehicle, this kit offers the perfect balance between lift and performance. One of the key benefits of this leveling kit is its ability to accommodate larger wheels and tires, which can be crucial for those looking to enhance off-road performance. It's made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and strength, and the installation is fairly straightforward, making it a great DIY project for truck enthusiasts. Many buyers on Aliexpress have praised the kit for its cost-effectiveness and ease of installation, making it an ideal solution for Toyota Tundra owners who want to upgrade their ride. It works particularly well for Tundra models from 2007 and newer, ensuring a smooth and stable ride regardless of the terrain. Number 3. 3-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit for Toyota Tundra. If you're looking for a more substantial lift, the 3-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit might be the perfect choice for you. This kit gives your Toyota Tundra a noticeable lift, improving ground clearance and allowing for larger tires, which is especially useful for off-road enthusiasts. The 3-inch lift not only enhances your vehicle's appearance, but also improves its capability on rougher roads and trails. This leveling kit is designed for easy installation and is built with tough, high-quality materials. It includes everything you need to lift the front of your Tundra, and the increased lift helps to improve your vehicle's overall handling and performance. Whether you're planning to drive through tough terrains or simply want your truck to stand out, this 3-inch lift is a great option. The 3-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit is a popular choice among Tundra owners who want both style and performance. The durability and strength of the kit ensure it can handle rough conditions without wearing down quickly, making it a reliable upgrade for any Toyota Tundra. Number 4. 2.5-inch Front Leveling Kit with strut spacers. For those looking for a cost-effective yet high-quality leveling kit, the 2.5-inch Front Leveling Kit with strut spacers is an excellent choice. This kit includes everything you need to lift the front of your Toyota Tundra by 2.5 inches, providing better clearance for larger tires and a more balanced look. The strut spacers are made from durable materials, ensuring long-term reliability even in harsh conditions. The 2.5-inch lift is ideal for owners who want a moderate lift that enhances their vehicle's stance without going overboard. This kit is perfect for Tundra owners who primarily use their trucks for daily driving but still want a vehicle that can handle a variety of terrains. The installation process is relatively simple, and many users have shared that they were able to install the kit themselves in just a few hours. This kit is a great option for Toyota Tundra owners who want a simple, cost-effective solution for leveling their truck. The combination of performance and affordability makes this kit a solid choice for a wide range of truck enthusiasts. Number 5. Tundra 4-inch front and 2 rear leveling kit. For those who want a more dramatic change in ride height, the Tundra 4-inch front and 2 rear leveling kit is an excellent solution. This kit provides a significant front lift while maintaining a balanced stance with the 2-inch rear lift. The 4-inch front lift will give your Tundra an aggressive, high-performance look while enhancing its off-road capabilities. The kit is made from durable materials, which means it can handle off-road driving and the rigors of daily use. It's designed for those who want a bold stance for their vehicle and is particularly popular among Tundra owners who plan on using their trucks for towing or off-road adventures. This leveling kit allows for larger tires and wheels, further improving your Tundra's performance in a variety of conditions. The Tundra 4-inch front and 2 rear leveling kit is perfect for those who want a more aggressive stance without compromising ride quality. With the ability to handle tough terrains and demanding conditions, this kit is perfect for those who push their vehicles to the limit. Conclusion: leveling kits are a fantastic way to improve your Toyota Tundra's ride quality, aesthetic, and off-road capability. Whether you choose a 2-inch lift for a subtle upgrade or a more substantial lift for a bold look, these kits are designed to provide the lift you need without compromising your truck's performance.